Catú bheith beganí begas sa bhir. Catú cinnte bheith beganí begas dúil le bheith ceola banna céalaí. Má tá síime de ggóil cathaíonna.
People will make fierce sacrifices for show business. It gets into your system, it's in the adrenaline, you know, and it takes a long time to get it out of it.
When you're listening to good traditional music and you feel the hairs on the back of your neck lifting, you know, and you just, if you had two wooden legs, you'd have to get up, do you know what I mean? That's the sort of a lift we had.
Láidir, bríomhar, an da, gira, agus an bhrí, an lift, an sa cheáil, you know.
Sníomh an banjo steachas amach cos le sná, steachas amach rhaid cheáil, agus thug sé bob bra, agus thug sé lift brad an cheáil hamáile sin.
I'm not a fucking great banjo player. As a friend of mine used to say one time, I'm only a paraphernal player. But I'm a good band player. I'm a good team player. And that's the way I see it. And I never seen it any other way.